Hello, EEVEE. Today I wanted to show you how fast rendering is in Blender 4.0 Vita. I wanted to show you how fast NVIDIA Geforce RTX 2080 is. Of course, I also have MSI Afterburner running to make sure the temperatures are running lower. Because graphics card can get hot when you do rendering. Of course I had to turn this on accidentally. I think I'm running almost to the full. I'm increasing speed now. I don't know if you can hear me because now it's very loud because my graphics card is running. Now I will show you render in real time as well. Presentation. Let me wait when it loads all textures. This is happening in real time. This has display map. Now I'm rotating in 3D viewport. Let's check temperatures. 33 plus degrees is not too bad. Now I will show you how fast rendering will be. Because I bought I bought a couple of days ago NVIDIA Geforce RTX 2080. You have to have power supply 650 watts minimum. It is running okay. Okay, I will have to check what is temperature. 30 plus degrees now, but my fans are running at full speed. And I paid £255 and I bought off eBay that graphics card. Okay, I selected CUDA course. Okay, now I will show you how fast rendering will be. This is option for viewport samples. I got 151 samples and the noise open image denoise is being used by CPU. We also have optics, but I will choose open image denoise and I will show you in a minute. And I will be rendering in 2K resolution, so I can have presentation demonstration how fast it will be. You should see. Don't forget that I have other maps like display map, ambient occlusion, the temperature. It is monitoring, it is changing, but I will have to check MSI Afterburner. Oh no, 51 plus degree. I cannot complain because I'm rendering one of my projects. Oh no, it gone up little bit, but it's not too bad to be honest with you. You can see how fast render is taking. Also, I have to open up another scene, people, to show how fast materials will be simulating. You can see it didn't take too long. I didn't count how long, but remaining time, I think it tells me it was probably 1 minute and 22 seconds this render took. But keep in mind that this is in 2K resolution and I forgotten to check what settings I have got. I didn't put higher value, diffuse, but it is still quite fast. Okay, I hope you like my video tutorial. Blender 4.0 Vita I was using, and render took 1 minute and 22 seconds, and I am really pleased with that graphics card. In the past, it used to cost 749 pounds back to 2018. Now we have 2023 November, and I bought off eBay second-hand graphics card for 255 pounds, and I am very happy, people. And but make sure you have this application when you do 3D rendering, people. And have a nice day.